Thank you for buying this rack from Fixture Displays. Here is a quick snapshot of all the parts. You have the 4 panels, the long and short tube, or long and top tube. Then you have casters, base, and 2 square hubs, as well as a few screws and a pigtail. The pigtail holds a card or a sign that you would provide. You want to start with cross the legs and then align the long tube to the 4 holes on the cross bases. Then insert the long M6 screws in 4 positions. Then you want to tighten that with an Allen wrench. At Fixture Displays, we sell many different styles of variety of card racks, podiums, donation boxes, communion tables, cell phone lockers, and many other products. We welcome you browse our website, that is fixturedisplays.com. I'll spell that for you, FIXTUREDISPLAYS.com. Then you can assemble the casters. This card rack is fairly easy to put together. The only difficult part, if you call it difficult, is to make sure that when you put down the 4 panels, they are pushed in snugly. Then you put down that ball bearing. After the ball bearing, put the bottom hub. The hub is the same part, top and bottom. You want to have someone hold it for you while the other person put the 4 panels on. Remember, the panels have a direction. The open top face up. So simply hook all the 4 panels to the bottom hub. Have someone hold it for you. And then you can install the top hub. Push the hub into all 4 slots. And continue to have someone hold it until the top tube or the short tube is inserted and fastened. The long end of the short tube would go in first, and that will connect to the long tube at the bottom. Then you go ahead and use a shorter M6 screw to fasten it together. And make sure you push, while you're doing that, make sure you push the hub down, and now you spin the unit. It should be fully functional. The last but not least, put in the pigtail and put a card on top. You are in business. Thank you for shopping Fixture Displays. If you have any questions, email us at cs